Grade 6 Science Reviewer, Separating Mixtures. 1. What is a mixture? Mixture, a combination of two or more substances where each substance retains its own properties. Examples: salad, salt water, trail mix. 2. Why do we separate mixtures? To get pure substances for use. To remove harmful substances. To make recycling possible. To separate and identify different components. 3. Methods of separating mixtures. 1. Hand picking, used for large, easily distinguishable components. Example: separating stones from rice. 2. Sieving, used for separating particles of different sizes. Example: sieving flour to remove lumps. 3. Filtration, used for separating an insoluble solid from a liquid. Example: filtering sand from water. 4. Evaporation, used for separating a soluble solid from a liquid. Example: obtaining salt from salt water by evaporating the water. 5. Distillation, used for separating mixtures based on differences in boiling points. Example: purifying water by boiling it and then condensing the steam. 6. Magnetic separation, used for separating magnetic materials from non-magnetic ones. Example: removing iron filings from sand. 7. Decantation, used for separating a liquid from an insoluble solid by gently pouring the liquid out. Example: pouring off water from settled sand. 8. Chromatography, used for separating and identifying small amounts of substances. Example: separating different dyes in ink. 4. Examples and uses of separation techniques. Hand picking, removing pebbles from grains before cooking. Sieving, separating rice grains from husk. Filtration, making coffee by separating coffee grounds from liquid. Evaporation, producing salt from seawater in salt pans. Distillation, producing distilled water for laboratory use. Magnetic separation, recycling centers separating metals from other waste. Decantation, cleaning muddy water by letting the mud settle and pouring off the clear water. Chromatography, identifying different substances in a food dye. 5. Key points to remember. Different mixtures require different methods of separation based on their properties. Knowing the properties of the components, size, solubility, magnetism, boiling point, helps in choosing the correct method. Separation techniques are useful in daily life, industry, and scientific research.